All right, we're looking at surface area of three-dimensional objects, like this right here. This is a rectangular prism, and you can see where I've drawn some lines in here to be able to see all the surfaces. We've got this front piece, which is identical to this piece back here in the back, the rear. We have this right side piece right here that's identical to this right side. And of course we have a top and a bottom. There's 6 surfaces in this thing. So we want to find the area of every surface. So let's just do this right here. The top of this thing is a rectangle. It's 17 long and it's 10 wide. So I do 17 times 10, which is 170. Okay, well the bottom, same thing. It's 170. Okay. What about this front piece? This front is 4 tall, 10 long. So the front, 4 times 10, which is 40. That means the back, same thing, 40. All right. Then we have this right piece. This right piece right here, it's also 4 tall. How long is it right here? Well, it looks like over here 17. This would transfer over here 17. It's 4 times 17. Oops. 4 times 17, which is 68. That means the left is also going to be 68. And there you go. There's all my surfaces. I add those up for my surface area. All right, so 8 plus 8 is 16. Carry the 1. That's 35, 39, 43, 49, 55. And that's centimeters squared. And there's my total surface area right there. Okay. Here's another one, another rectangular prism. Okay. Let's do the bottom down here. The bottom, see it's 4 long and 4 wide. So bottom, 4 times 4, 16. That means the top is also 16. Okay. What about this right side right here? This right side is 4 long, 8 tall. So on the right, 4 times 8, that's 32, which means the left is also 32. Okay, then we have the front piece. The front and the back, they're the same. The front right here, it's 4 long and it's 8 tall, so it's 4 times 8, which is 32. And it means the back is also 32. So there's all my surfaces right there, so I add them up. 6, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 2, 3, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. 160 square inches. That's the surface area. Okay. So that's a rectangular prism. These are rectangular prisms because they're shaped like rectangles. Here's a triangular prism. You can see the front of it and the back of it is a triangle. Okay. All right. So let's find the surface area. So let's just go ahead with the front. The front is a triangle. Remember, area for a triangle is 1/2 base times height. My base is 5 and my height is 3. So this is going to be 1/2 5 times 3, which is 7.5. So that's 7.5, which means the back is also 7.5. Okay. Now going around this prism, it looks like we got this left piece right here in the back here. It's 3 tall, and look how long it is, 8. So it's 3 times 8, which is 24. So that's the left. It's 3 times 8, 24. The bottom down here, look, it's 5 long and 8. The bottom, 5 times 8 is 40. And then we got this piece right here on the left, on the right. It's 8 long and it's 5.8 tall. So it's going to be 8 times 5.8, which is 46.4. And there you go, that's all my surfaces. So I add these up. So 5, 10, 14, carry 1, 15, 39, 79, 125. and this is square meters. There you go, that's my surface area. Okay, here's another triangular prism. What's the surface area of it? So if I do the front here, now look, here's my height right there. See, this is a height right there coming at a right angle, which is what this is. So remember, area is 1/2 base times height. My base is 4, and my height is 6, so it's 1/2 times 4 times 6, which is 12. So the front is 12, which means the back is also 12, because these are identical triangles. Okay, now the bottom piece right here is 12 long and 4 wide. So 12 times 4 is 48. That's the bottom. We got this side on the left. It's 12 long, but it's 7 tall, so 12 times 7 is 84. And we have this piece on the right. It's 12 long, and it's also going to be 7 tall, so that's 84. So there's all my surfaces. I add them up. So 2, 12, 16, 20, 3, 4, 8, 24, 240 square centimeters. There's my area, my total surface area. Okay. This is called a trapezoidal prism because the front of it looks like a trapezoid. Now if you remember, the area of a trapezoid is 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times the height. That's the area of a trapezoid. So I'm going to do that for here, which means this is going to be 1/2, and my base 1 and base 2 are these parallel ones right here. So this is going to be 14 plus 8 times the height of 4 right there. So 14 plus 8 is 22, 1/2 22 is 11, times 4 is 44. So there's my front, which means the back is 44. Okay, now let's see if we can't maybe kind of draw some lines so we can see this a little bit better here. We got this bottom piece down here. It's 10 long, 14 wide, so 10 times 14. This is the bottom. 14 times 10 is 140. We got this left piece over here. It's the same as this, 10 long, and I think, oh, we got to find the, I think on this right here, this is 4, and that would be 3, yeah, this is 5. I think these are both 5. We won't have to figure one out like that though, I don't think. But this is 5 times 10, 50. This right piece, since that's 5 and 10, 5 times 10 is 50, it's also 50. Then we have the top. The top is 8 wide and 10 long, 80. 8 times 10 is 80. So we add these up. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 14 is 22. 32, 40. 408 square centimeters. Okay. Then we have a cylinder. All right, the surface area of a cylinder. All right, we've got a top and we got a bottom down here. There are circles. Now remember, the area of a circle is pi r squared. This is area. Okay, so on the top, it's going to be pi times the radius, which is 12, squared. All right, so let's see here. 3.14 is what pi is, times 12 squared. 452.16. That's the top, which means the bottom is the same thing. Okay, then we have this side piece that goes around. If I just cut this thing right here and fold it out, it's going to make a big old long rectangle like this. How tall is this rectangle? Right there, 20. How long is this rectangle? Well, it's the distance around this circle up here, which is the circumference. Circumference is pi times the diameter. So pi is 3.14, and the diameter, well, that's 12, so if I double that, that'd be 24. So 3.14 times 24. 75.36. Okay, that's how long this rectangle is. So it's 20 tall, 75.36 long. So I multiply those. And there's my surface, my area of the side piece. And so here's all my surfaces. I add those up, and that'll get it done. So it's going to be 3252, 2, 4, 11, 1, 10, 11, 1, 5, 9, 13. There you go, 23, 11, 52. And it doesn't tell what this is, we'll just say square inches. Okay, so you just find the top, the bottom, using the area formula. You find the side piece, which means it's 20 tall, but you got to figure out the circumference of that circle to figure out how long this rectangle would be. Here's one more, we'll do it, and then that'll close up shop. My area is pi times radius squared. So this one, 3.14 times my radius. All right, now look at this, 24 goes all the way across. That's the diameter. So if I cut that in two, 12 and 12. So this is times the radius squared. All right, so let's see here. 3.14 times 452.16. The bottom is going to be the same thing. 452.16. Now the side piece, remember I'm going to have to cut it down right here and fold it out, which makes this big old long rectangle. Now this rectangle is 18 inches or 18 meters tall, and the distance around this circle is what the length of it is. So I need to do the circumference is pi times diameter. All right, so this is 3.14 times the diameter, which is 24. $75.36. So that's how long the rectangle is. So my area of the rectangle is going to be 18 times that. 1336.48. And there you go, add these all up. Okay, so this is going to be 80, 10, 1, 10, 11, 14, 1, 5, 9, 22. So 2240.80. That's the total surface area. So this is surface area. It's something I know you've done before, so this is kind of like a refresher. But contact me if you need any help. I'll help you all I can, all right? So have a good rest of the day. Bye-bye.